In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a device from Google Find Devices. So this should be quick and easy process video. You should have Find Hub application installed on your phone. So after you do that, just go ahead and click on Find Hub. So after you do that, Find Hub will show you all the Google Find My devices you have. For me, it's Galaxy A32, but you can click on it, change the name, and you can also click on Settings at the bottom. Then click on Allow Device to be located. Just switch it off in order to remove it from Google Find My devices. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.